Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yesterday, some network problem occurred, then automatically it will be disconnected in that case. Yes, actually, yesterday, what I'm starting, data types, we are starting on. Now you are understandable, these are all the things. Okay, what is the purpose of data types? Data type specifies what type of data in a feature you are storing in a where table column. So many data types are there, but Oracle having three data types only, main data types. Following data type, these are first one char, here varchar2 size, second one number of p, s, here date. All are writing up to this one. These three you must be familiar before we are starting a DDL and all. All are writing this one. Char, varchar2, varchar, so many things are there. Size, number of p, s, p means precision, s means scale letter. Okay, fine. Date like this. Now in your tables you are observing also these data types are there. Oh, maybe number of p, s something, date something, number of p something. Here varchar2 something only there. What is this one? I will tell you. Up to this one all are writing or not? Yes, here. Now first one write it side heading char. Very important. Char. Now slowly observe it here. Suppose this is a table is there, for example. I will show you practically, observe it here. This is a table. In this one column is there, for example, name is a column, in a column. Here, in this column only, here, I am declaring a what? Char is a data type. Char is a data type means in a future something we are storing one. Char is a data type. Here, I'm trying to specify size, either 10 bytes or 20 bytes or 30 bytes, anything. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, what the problem is, you are a developer means we are thinking, oh, maybe nothing is there in this column only. Char means characters we are allowed to store only. We are thinking, okay, I'm agree. Characters A, B, C. Otherwise, my name is morally like this. Otherwise, X, Y, Z. Anything character data we are storing only. We are thinking. Not only character data, we can also store a what? Alphanumeric data. That is important. Alphanumeric data means suppose here this is a mail ID is there, for example. In this mail ID means I'm declaring a what character or varchar2, varchar something is there in a future. In that case, a mail ID means we are storing a what? Suppose here my mail ID like this only XYZ, yes123 at the rate here gmail.com like this only there or not. In that case, a combination I'm writing. So now here, yes, characters I'm writing, numbers I'm writing, special symbols I'm writing. This is called alphanumeric data. That's why by using a char data type, not only storing a what of characters, but also we are allowed to store as alphanumeric data. Observe it here. Suppose here this is a Z1 table is there in another class side. Here mail IDs I'm storing. Okay, through that one, how can I retrieve the data? Something is there. Don't worry. That's why this mail ID means always here at the rate special symbol. Okay, so now here a dot is a special symbol. Some other thing, combination, all the things are there or not. That is called, so now here alphanumeric data. That's why char data type is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. What is that fixed length? I will tell you, don't worry. And now here char data type is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. Write it the theory char. It is used to store fixed length It is used to store fixed length alpha numeric data. Alphanumeric data in bytes. In bytes. What is fixed length means practically your length. And now check it out. Alphanumeric data is important combination. Okay. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Anybody good at what? C language or Java language or .NET language? These type of languages means they are declaring a what variable syntax is different. Oracle side syntax is different. Suppose in a C language, everyone knows if you want to declare any variable means left hand side data type, int is a data type, float is a data type, char is a data type like this. Right hand side variable. This is a what here left hand side data type, maybe non-technical persons means observe it here. Whatever integer, float, character, these are called data type. Data type specify the type of data in a variable. And now here just data type. Here right hand side variable only. This is A is a variable. Whenever we are declaring like this, memory is allocated for that variable only based on the, so now here is size. Maybe compiler based on 2 bytes, 5 or 4 bytes like that. Okay, observe here. Just here, this is a variable storing our so now here, yes, here in a future we are allowed to store numbers. That's why we are declaring a variable like this. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, here left hand side data type and right hand side variable. But Oracle means not like that. Totally different syntax. What is the different syntax? Screen observe it. Opposite side. Opposite side means what? Left hand side variable. Very important. Left hand side variable. And the right hand side data type here. Number, where cat to like this only. Right hand side only data type. But unfortunately, here variable is not there in a where SQL side. That's why here column name they are using. Here column name. Left hand side column name. PLSQL means variable is there. Left hand side column name. Right hand side always data type only. That's why here column name, here data type like this. Write a syntax. What is the syntax they are providing means how you are writing in a way practically means column name, left hand side column name, right hand side char is a keyword here, size. Write it this one, practical I'm showing. Column name, char, size. Anybody academic careers they're good means maybe guess it. Anybody guess it? What is the maximum size of the where this char data type? What is the maximum size? Maybe anybody academic career side they have an idea of basic. What is the maximum size of the char data type is what? Up to 2000 bytes. More than 2000 bytes means some other data type is there where cat2, some CLOB, so many things are there next one. But here char data type stores a what? Up to 2000 bytes of alphanumeric data. That's why maximum size of the where char data type is up to 2000 bytes. Write it. Size write it. Maximum size of the, write it next para. Maximum size of the char data type is up to 2000 bytes. Maximum size of the char data type is up to 2000 bytes. In a olden days, 255 bytes only, but nowadays they're changing. Up to 2000 bytes. But unfortunately, I have a doubt only. What is my doubt means concentrate here. Suppose I am not interested to use a size. Suppose this column is there. I am declaring a what? A char is a data type I'm declaring. Suppose here, this is a in a column. Name is a column is there. Only char is a data type I'm giving. I'm not giving a what in a size 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 100. I'm not giving a size. Whenever I'm not giving a what a size means then working very good. Yes, by default 1 byte. By default, how many bytes? 1 byte. That is what is that one means. Suppose I am trying to store A possible. Okay, fine. Suppose I try to store A B possible. No, not possible. Suppose I try to store a what? X possible. I try to store XY because each and every character is a 1 byte in a way Oracle side. That's why easy way you're remembering only, not possible. That's why by default char data type having a what? 1 byte. You are not giving any size also automatically working only. Practical I'm showing. Write it. Write a note. Write a note. In Oracle, by default, char data type, by default, char data type having 1 byte. By default, char data type having 1 byte. That's why syntax I'm not, okay, sorry, size I'm not giving also working. Yeah, write it, syntax. These are all the things practically very easy. Column name, here char write it. Only char write it, don't use size. But why they are not preferring a what? A char data type? Why they are preferring a next only where char to where char, all the things today practical I'm showing everyone understandable. Write it, these are all the things first. Theory. Okay, now onwards, very important. Everyone concentrate what 15 minutes only, most powerful. So now here, why they are not preferring a what char data type anywhere in a project side? Why they are preferring a what? Yes, you're all project side only. I am also, you are also, otherwise learners also. Another data type is there where char to next only, otherwise where char data type, why they are preferring. Some reason is there, that reasons first I want, then only here another extension char data type I'm using. Suppose, observe here, concentrate here. Anywhere alphanumeric data we are storing means always where char 2 or where char something is there next, don't worry. Those things only they are using. Anywhere also char, no, char nobody using only. Why? Any problem is there? Yes, one problem is there. What is that one means? Concentrate here. First, just diagrammatical observe it, easily understandable. Then practical I'm showing. This is a what? A test is a table, for example. Slowly observe here. I will show you practically also. What they are telling about Oracle Corporation means, suppose here, this is a name is a column is there. In this name column only, observe here, char is a data type is there. Observe here, this is a what? A char is a data type. In this char data type, for example, I'm declaring I want 10 is a size, otherwise 10 or 20 or anything. Whenever I'm declaring I want char is I want a 10 size, what happened means internally in a memory side, always 10 bytes of memory is allocated internally. Okay, so now here. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. Observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. Now 10 bytes of memory is allocated, for example. Now, but unfortunately, my data entry operator tried to store my name, for example, Murali, like this, for example. Murali, my name they are storing only. Whenever they are storing a what like this, what happened means here maximum size I am declaring 10 bytes, but why I try to, yes, anybody try to store less number of bytes than the maximum size. Morally is a 6 bytes, Murali, but here 10 bytes are there. Now here your imagination like this, very easy. Here how it will be storing internally, Murali. So now here, but unfortunately, how many bytes, remaining bytes are wasted? Very good. Here, 4 bytes are wasted. This is the biggest problem. Whenever we are trying to use a what char data type, use it, not a problem. But internally, some problem is there. What is that one? Some disk space wasted in so many times. Where the disk space is wasted means whenever we are declaring a what maximum size here, anything, any size we are declaring in a char data type. But we are trying to store less number of bytes. Here 10 is there, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less number of bytes we are trying to store, remaining bytes are wasted. Okay, na? Yes. Here 10 is there, 6 bytes we are trying to store, but remaining 4 bytes are wasted or not? 4 bytes disk space wastage. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. But unfortunately, whenever we are using a want, next only here, varchar data type, varchar and varchar2 data types are there. Don't worry. Next we are learning. Don't worry. There's variable length alphanumeric data. That one, what happened means different. Suppose here, that is a test one is a table is there. Don't write it. Test one is a table is there, for example. I will show you practically also. Just observe here, name is a column. In this one, yes, next another data type is there. Varchar or varchar2 is a data types are available. What is varchar? What is varchar2? Next I will tell you. Don't worry. It's a variable length alphanumeric data. Now here also I'm giving a what 10 same size. Whenever I'm giving a what here also 10 is a size. What they are telling a what ANSI standard means. Observe here. Here 10 bytes of memory is allocated. Okay, fine. Here 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. Now here observe here. Whenever in this case, same like a what previous case, my name they are interested to insert a data entry operator like this. Now here my name only, yes, they are inserting only. Now here automatically here Murali, it will be inserted, but unfortunately, remaining bytes are automatically deallocated. Here, remaining 4 bytes are not wasted, they are telling. That's why they are preferring a what? Varchar or varchar2 data type. This memory management is very important in a way so now storage plays a major important role in a project side. That's why I observe it here. Whenever we are trying to use varchar and varchar2 in a future, in that case, when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the whatever size you have specified in a declaration, then automatically remaining bytes are deallocated, automatic that one. Whatever data you are giving, that maximum memory only reserved. Okay. That's why remaining bytes are never wasted in this case. Okay, every other telling a what like this only, but unfortunately, yes, we are not satisfied. Okay, why? Because it is not visible anything in a practically. That's why if you are viewing a what, yes, this one internally deallocated or not, we are checking it practically, then only you are understandable. Now check it out. Remaining bytes are never wasted in this case. They are telling in a where cat to data. Suppose first small demo through you are understandable that one. Yes, through that one only we are starting a what? Yes, here. That extension of the care. Now observe it here. Slowly observe here. Don't write it. 10 minutes only observe it here. Practically, I'm showing. Okay, practically don't write it. Okay, maybe in a future where cat 2 only there, character nobody using. By means I will show you now. Observe it here. Suppose very interesting. Create, don't write it. Create table logic observe it here. Tables creation, you don't have a test. Here name is a column, char is a data type. 10 is a size I'm giving. For example, now I'm inserting a data. Insert into, suppose create table. These are all the things you don't have an idea up to today. Later concepts. Here, my name they are inserting morally like this. Whenever they are inserting morally is a 6 bytes only. Here 10 is a size. They are giving only character data type. Now, but unfortunately, they are observing a what a table. It is not visible. Bytes are wasted or anything. It is not visible anything. Really, remaining bytes or 4 bytes are wasted or not. I want to check. Possible, possible. How can I mean? Suppose you are a C programmer, means printf, scanf functions are there. Same like if you want to view. So now here yes, some other concept in a where in a database side means predefined functions are there. Same like a what normal languages here in the software languages also predefined functions are there for better operating on. Now here check it out here in a real-time project side, how bytes are internally arranged. If they want to view means they are using a what one predefined function. What is that function? Senior most programmers using a what dump is a function through their testing. Dump is a function through their testing one. What is dump? Don't worry, later this. In a way, senior most programmers checking out internally, so now really bytes are wasted or not wasted. They are confusing. It is not visible anything. That's why they are trying to test a what through the very dump function. Now here, check it out. Yes, here. Internally, how it will be arranged a data, it will be checking by using a dump function. How can I mean is don't select here dump is a function. Here name is a column. Sorry, name is a column from test only. They are right. But whenever they are using a dump function, okay, characters not visible, at least ASCII values are visible. Now here observed here, yes, type length, don't worry here, this one observed here. This internally how Murali is storing, so now I'm checking only through the dump function. This is a what? 1, 2, here automatically Murali is storing a what like this. Now here Murali is storing a what like this only, but unfortunately you are observing or not, yes, observed here. These are ASCII values. ASCII value format only it is visible in a way they were data in a way dump function we are using. So now M is my name only small letter M is a 1019 ASCII value. U is a 117 is a ASCII value. R okay 114 is a what ASCII value. Again A okay so now here R okay so now 114. Here A is a what so now here yes 97. Small A means 97. So now capital M is 64, 97 here. And now here L is a what? 108. So now here yes, I is a what? So now here 105. This is the way Murali is storing only like this. So maybe Murali is storing, that's why the ASCII values it will be written. But unfortunately 32, 32, 32, 32, 32. Suppose here 10 bytes are declaring only. And now here yes, here Murali is storing in a where in a, these ASCII values M, U, R, A, L, I, my name like this. But here automatically here 32, 32, 32, 32 is visible only. What is the 32? ASCII value of 32, how much? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling correct. ASCII value of 32 is nothing but a what? Blank space, spaces only, blank space. ASCII value of 32 is nothing but a what? Blank space. That's why 4 blank spaces are there or not. That's why 10 bytes I am declaring in this example. Now Murali M-U-R-A-L-I, Murali is a 6 bytes I am storing. But unfortunately, less number of bytes I am storing, but remaining bytes, 4 bytes is a what? Here blank spaces are available. Blank spaces are available or not? Yes, here like this. And now maybe memory is wasted or not? Yes, disk space is wasted. But unfortunately, in place of char in a future, next only where char to some other data type, I will tell you. Those data type I'm showing only really same scenario. What happened? Observe here. Suppose first we are testing like this. Create table. Here observe here test one. Here name is a column. Here next only where char or where char two data types are there. Those things next I will tell you. Don't worry. Here, where char2 is another data type is there in a variable length alphanumeric data, same like a character, some memory management side only. Variable length alphanumeric data. Here, where char2 size, here same size I am giving only. Okay, fine. Where char2 something is there. Don't worry. Now here I try to insert a data. Yes, here I observed here data entry operator insert into test one values like this only. They are inserting a what? My name Murali like the same thing. Now, whenever they are inserting a data like this, automatically the data is storing only. Okay, fine. Now, unfortunately, this data is storing also. It is not visible. Here, really bytes are wasted or not wasted. Confusing only. They are telling what remaining bytes are never wasted. They are telling what when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, the remaining bytes never wasted. They are telling only. Really, that is correct or not? We are checking. How we are checking means dump is a function is there through that one internally how bytes are arranged we are being only possible. How can I select? In most programmer means they are checking like this dump is a function. Here name is a column. Here from here test one like this. Yes, here whenever they are typing like this, yes, automatically beautiful output on observed here. Only ASCII value here. Now here it will be displayed a what? 1019, 117, 114, 97, 108, 105. That is morally it will display. Here it's a ASCII value of 32, 32, 32, 32, 32 is not there. That's why ASCII value 32 is not there means automatically bytes are never wasted or not. Yes, here. That's why ASCII value of 32 is nothing but a space, but here 32, 32, 32 is not available here. Hello. It is audible. Some network problem. Hello. It is audible. Yes. And now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. This much of depth knowledge, you don't have an idea. For example, what is dump and all these things. We don't know dump is a function. How we are checking only. You are thinking means don't afraid only. Some other technique is there. What is that one means? Anybody having idea? Some C language techniques through we are checking. In a C language, total length, if you want to find out means strlen is a function is there or not, string length is a function is there or not. Whenever strlen function is there, string length function is there, through this function we have find out what total length of the string including spaces or excluding spaces. Anybody having idea? C language fundamental. Very good. Yes, one fellow is telling correct. It returns a what total length of the string, including spaces. Okay, spaces also counting or not? Including spaces also counting 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or like this some number. Okay. Same like C language string length function. If you want to find out total length of the string, including spaces means in a Oracle side. Yes, here in a future, length is a function is there. Length is a function, very important function that. Same like a what? Our C language, a string length function. Basic level programmer testing what this concept in a way. Yes, here always where char2 means a dynamic. Sorry, okay. So now remaining bytes are never wasted when we are trying to store less number of bytes. Again here, now here yes, character means it will be wasted. How we are understandable means length length is a function is there in our Oracle side. Dump okay, that is experience, but length is a function is there. This length function through also we are identifying possible. Why? Because here this length function very easy, similar to where C language strlen function. That strlen function is there, string length function always returns a total length of the string, including spaces. Now same thing length also including spaces. Through this one I am checking. Observe here 1 minute only. Don't write it only, just we are checking first. Okay, these different scenarios. Then easily you are remembering only because internal concept. No. Now check it out. Memory is wasted or not wasted. You are understandable now. Now check it out. These answers maybe you are only telling. I think just observe it. These scenarios. I'm creating a table. Create a table here. Test is a table. Here name is a column. So now character I'm taking first. Okay. Here also 10 bytes. Same 10 bytes I'm declaring. For example. Now I try to insert a data, insert into test values like this. Here also same like a previous case, my name Murali, I try to insert. Whenever I'm inserting a what, that one automatically it is not visible in a internal concept only. Just here, test is a table, Murali is available, it will be checking. Now I am checking a what, a length function through internally how it will be storing a what, this Murali string only. Now length function, select LENGTH length function. I am writing only here name for column. And now from a test only. Now what is the output? Anybody guess it? Suppose I am showing about diagrammatically this one. These are 10 bytes only. So now here observe here. Maybe M U R A L I like this. Here Murali is a what? Data is storing internally. Now here, yes. Now check it out. Here 4 bytes. Observe here 4 bytes are internally blank spaces are there. And now here is these 4 bytes only. And now here length function shows the what length or not? Yes, very good. That's why this is a 6 plus including spaces. No, how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces. That's why 6 plus 4, how much internally? 10, it will be displayed. Very good. So many fellows are telling 10 only. Correct. 10 only it will display. Observe here. 10. Total length is 10. Morally is a 6 bytes, but unfortunately internally 4 bytes are blank spaces are there. That's why 10 bytes only internally there are not. Same concept. I try to use a what? Next where care to where care something is there only. Okay, fine. Now check it out. I'm checking. This is a table. Create table. Here test 1 like this. Here name column. Varchar 2 like this only here. Whenever in a varchar is there next only. Yes, here 10 is a bytes. I am giving size, maximum size. Now I try to insert a data, insert into here test 1 values like this. Here also say my name, I am inserting Murali like this only. Whenever I'm inserting a what same name, yes, here mouse select star from test 1, some commands are there. Then automatically Murali is storing, okay, fine. But unfortunately, this Murali is a what storing a what remaining bytes are never wasted. They are telling only when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size. More number of bytes means next some different, less number of bytes. In that case, observe I'm checking how it's because I'm a first time newcomer. Length function through I'm checking how internally data is arranged. Select length is a function. The same like a string length function. Name from test 1 I'm typing only. Now what is the output? Anybody guess it? Very good. 6 or 10. Very good. Yes, your Murali. Yes, your Murali is a data is there. No? MURALI is there. Murali is a what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 6 only it will be displayed. It does not display for 6 plus 4, that's 10 only. Why? Because internally blank spaces are not there. You are understandable. Now check it out. Yes, I'm using a what here? 6. 6 means Murali, my name is a what? 6 bytes only. 6 characters are there. No? Yes, your remaining 4 is what? Maybe blank spaces are not there in internally. That's why here 6 is displayed or not. This is the way. That's why whenever anybody interviewer asking a what? So now here, yes, here, whenever we are using a what, a char, okay, that is alphanumeric data we are storing, but why we are not preferring a what? That one means when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size declared in a where. So now data type size declared in a databases, Oracle database. Then automatically remaining bytes are wasted. Okay, you are telling only, okay, now, yes, here. But unfortunately, you are telling your remaining bytes are wasted in a where character data type also. But Oracle Corporation reverse side they are giving blank padded is a mechanism is there. That one they are giving. What is blank padded mechanism? I will tell you. Then only varchar 2 I will tell you. Varchar I will tell you. Blank padded mechanism means nothing is there. Reverse they are explaining a what Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation giving. Really disk space wasted, but really they're giving a reverse side. This is a test, is a table is there, for example. What they're telling, reverse side, they're telling only. Anywhere also disk space wasted, but differently they're explaining. Now here, this is a name column is there. In this name column, okay, in a column, this is a test is a table. Character is a data type I'm using, char. In this char only here, 10 bytes, 20 bytes, like this only we are using. Now, whenever we are using this one, what they are telling only Oracle Corporation here, so now here, whenever we are trying to store less number of bytes, morally like this only. Now, automatically what they are telling only here, the data is storing whatever data you are giving only, the data is storing in internal memory. Here, MURALI like this. Not only that one, always remaining bytes, whatever remaining bytes are there internally. And now your remaining bytes place blank spaces are okay allocated. That is important. Whenever we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, then the Oracle server automatically add a blank spaces in place of remaining bytes. 10 bytes I'm declaring, in place of remaining bytes, 4 bytes only. Automatically blank spaces are automatically adding. And now here 4 blank spaces are automatically will add anywhere. Okay, server only. That's why this is also called as blank padded mechanism. Blank padded means padding a what, adding a what, or appending a what, blank spaces at the end of the string in place of remaining bytes only. That's why this is called what, a blank padded mechanism like this. How much is it? Disk space also wasted, also same. This one also same, but reverse side they are giving maybe. And now here check it out. Understood? That's why the theory write it. Write it. In Oracle, is a char only, char that side, because in Oracle, whenever we are using char data type, more than that bytes means it won't work. Okay, yeah. I will show you that one also in a very char 2 side, don't worry. In Oracle, whenever we are using char data type, and also when we are trying to store in Oracle, whenever we are using char data type, and also when we are trying to store less number of bytes, when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in char data type, then Oracle server internally automatically adds blank spaces, in place of remaining bytes, at the end of the string, This is called blank padded mechanism. This is called blank padded mechanism. In Oracle, whenever we are using char data type, and also when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in char data type, then Oracle server internally automatically adds blank spaces in place of remaining bytes at the end of the string. This is called blank padded mechanism. Now this diagram, draw this one. Draw this diagram. Or maybe blank padded means some space is wasted. No, yes, disk space is wasted here. No, yeah. Diagrammatically write it, because practically means up to now you don't have an idea. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Yeah. Because up to 1 week or 10 days, slowly I'm telling why, because another best students are there combining only. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, na? Remaining tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you.